how to buy Amazon Prime Video. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can buy Amazon Prime Video, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to buy Amazon Prime Video, it's actually very simple. All you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch your browser. Just go to primevideo.com. Now just make sure to tap on start your free trial option here. After you've done that, first of all simply make sure to sign in to your existing Amazon account here. Once you go ahead and basically sign in with your Amazon account, in this case it'll take you to the page where you can simply actually verify this captcha. So let me also go ahead and do that. Once you verify the captcha over here, you'll be taken to this page where you should be able to go ahead and then tap the sign in option and so on. Once you've done that, you'll be able to enter your payment details, and after you enter your payment details you can simply go ahead and then basically successfully subscribe to Amazon Prime Video. This way you can buy Prime Video. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.